Dome rides. I'm out here in the Valley of Fire National Park in Nevada and we're about to do some hiking. The wife and I, we're going to hit up, I think we're going to hit the White Domes Trail, but as you can see, it's just absolutely stunning out here. I don't even know if my GoPro 10 will catch out how gorgeous it is. I got some 360 footage I'm going to show you too, but this is truly breathtaking out here. Definitely stop out at the Valley of Fire National Park if you get a chance. Hey everybody, we're gonna do a spin for you. We're gonna walk in a circle. We don't fall off the edge. It's gorgeous out here.
It is. It's breathtaking.
That's cool.
Like it's not even real.
This is dope.
Mm-hmm.
We are about to do the mouse's tank, not taint, right, Kristen?
Tank.
Tank. So we're gonna take you on there with us. It's about less than a mile.
Yeah, total.
And so, like I said before, we're in the Valley of Fire in Nevada, and we're about to do the mouse's tank, not taint. Good day. Well, no, well, yeah, too. But, out here, actually, it's not even hiking. What is it? All kinds of cool stuff. A place to take pictures. So this is one of them from earlier. I had to switch shoes to my Vibrams. Nobody was having any fun there, so. But not too bad in the shade.
Yes, it's absolutely breathtaking.
Wow, look at that.